Hello, my amazing Altaloma parents. I'm so sad that I'm not being able to see you face to face for open house, but I still wanted to be able to give you a tour of our classroom, kind of let you just know what it looks like, what your kids have been doing since they've started school. I'm really just so proud of how far they've already grown this year and learned. So many kids have already made so much progress on their letters and their sounds, and we're just gonna be doing a lot of awesome things in kindergarten. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you our classroom. So when our kids first come in, we have their lockers. They know that when they first come in, they put up their backpacks and then they go to their seats for breakfast. We get breakfast every morning. Here we've got a bookshelf. This is where supplies they use for our stations. They've got stuff for their name, matching letters, tracing letters. They could spell sight words. They have their headphones in there. Notice how everything is numbered so our stuff doesn't get mixed up and the kids know exactly what they are. So yeah, obviously you can see all our tables where we can socially distance. We've got some dividers up. That way we're not spreading germs and we're just doing a great job. The kids do so well with this, making sure that they don't mess with it. Here we have some of our anchor charts where we've been learning from math switched out. We're talking about kind of addition and subtracting and joining together. Over here we have our guided reading table, which is what we've just started this week. This is where your kid will come and meet with me for a small group. So notice I can only have 4 kids and they're spread out. These are things where we work on letters and sound, sight words, reading, writing, just everything. And we're already doing a great job on that. Here are our spots on the carpet where we come for story time. They already know where they sit. They're spread out. We call by color, we call by rows. They do a great job. We have our calendar where we talk about important events like a birthday or Halloween, weather, days of the week. We use it for counting on our days of school. Here we have some of our writing posters. We've been working really hard on figuring out, what does a writer do? What does it look like? Where can we get our ideas? We also have our reading corner, which we haven't been able to go into yet, but I'm sure we will soon. Of course, this bulletin board is for our sticker chart. So we have a sticker challenge that we participate in. Everyone started at beginner and they've already moved up to a learner. It starts with, you have to earn 5 stickers, then 10 stickers. Now they're working on earning 15. And then they work all the way up to a Hall of Fame. Here we have our word wall, which looks pretty bare right now, but we will be adding words as we go. This is where we have sight words, color words, their pictures, and their names. So when they're learning how to write on independently, oh, that's a sight word. Where can I look? Okay, I want to spell the sight word see. I know it starts with S. So they can come over here and spell it S-E-E and finish it. We also have another place where we can add anchor charts. So we're working again on stretching out our sounds with writing. Again, there's back in our door, back to our lockers. Of course, we have access to a bathroom in here for boys and girls, and that's our room. This is our happy place. This is where your kids have been learning and growing every single day. I am so proud to be their teacher, and I can't wait to see what else these kids do to learn. Thank you again for trusting me with your kids. Be looking out for a paper or an email or dojo about parent-teacher conferences. That way I can update you guys on how they've been doing. Have a great day. Thanks for being part of Altaloma.